Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday video. This week I'm doing two different Valentine's inspired looks for you. So one is an ombre with a stamp over top, and the second is just using two different cat eyes, again with another stamp for a different kind of look as well. So for the first look here, I started with the new ButterCream colors Flamingle and Social Butterfly. And taking my number 4 oval brush, I'm going to apply Social Butterfly to the top half of my nail and Flamingle to the bottom half. Then I'm going to take my block brush, and I'm actually going to take a little bit of each color and put it onto a tile. And then I'm going to take my brush and dip one half of it in the pink and one half in the white and work it into my brush so that it blends my ombre a little bit nicer. I found this worked better with the ButterCreams just because they are a little bit thicker. It worked better if I had a little bit more product in my brush. And then I'm just gonna brush back and forth across the middle, blending the two colors together. And with the Social Butterfly, I found with the shimmer in it, I decided to brush back and forth over the whole thing, just so I didn't have two different kind of brush strokes through my Social Butterfly color. And then I'm just giving that a 30-second cure and doing the same thing again here, so I have two layers. And then I'm going to take my sheer white from Young Nails Manicure and just put a thin coat of this over the whole nail. I find that this just helps to blend any brush strokes that you see and makes the ombre blended better. And then giving that a full 60-second cure and a good cleanse with some after wipe. And then I'm going to take off the new Love and Marriage 4 plate from Uber Chic, this little heart design, and taking my Flamingle ButterCream, I'm going to stamp this with my clear stamper. So I recently have learned a trick with the ButterCreams when you're stamping. If you let them sit in the plate for a second after you stamp, it kind of settles a little bit and you'll get crisper lines. And then if you use a clear stamper and roll it onto the design with a light to medium pressure, it picks up really, really crisp and clear. And then same thing, you want to roll it onto the nail as well. And then just cleaning up anything that's gotten on the skin around the cuticle and giving that a full cure. And then for the second look that I've done here, I'm using the new JoyaMia Cat Eye colors number 8 and number 28. So this is a fuchsia and a purple. And I'm going to apply the number 8 to the entire nail, give it a flash cure just so that I have a nice base, and then I'm going to do a second coat of the number 8. And before I cure, I'm going to take my number 28 and just brush through the number 8 so I kind of have like some purple brush strokes through my pink. And then before I cure that, I'm just going to take my regular cat eye magnet and hold that across the nail for about 3 seconds. And when I'm happy with it, give it a full cure. Then I'm going to give that a good cleanse with some after wipe, and I'm going to use the Caption color Excuse You and take this lace sort of design off the Love and Marriage 4 plate again. And I'm going to choose an area that's a little more open so I can see that cat eye through it. And then finishing off both of those nails with a coat of Super Shiny and giving them a full 60-second cure in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And there you have it, the completed Valentine's Day looks that I've done this year. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the section below. Make sure you like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.